guys, this is Miss Paola, and today we're going to be reviewing how to do two-step long division. Now this is something that we started working with in class, and I'm making this video here on YouTube so that you can go back to it whenever you want, wherever you are, and just review the steps, the basic steps of how to do long division with two steps or more, because these rules I'm teaching you today are the same rules you're going to be using when you're in 5th grade, 6th grade, 7th grade, 8th grade, and in the future. Alright, so the first thing you're going to have is a little equation such as this one, 96 divided by 5 equals blank, because you need to find the answer. Now, the first thing I need to do is draw my house or casita and put the 96 inside and the 5 outside. So, what we're trying to find out is how many 5s actually fit inside 96. However, 96 is way too big, and in division we can work with single digits. So I want to know how many 5s fit inside 9. Now, take use of a piece of paper or the same paper you're working on. In a little corner, you can write down the multiplication tables if you need them. For example, I know that 5 times 1 equals 5. And I know that 5 times 2 equals 10. And that 5 times 3 equals 15. Now, I only need to get to 9, and I cannot pass 9. So although 10 is the closest to 9, it's way too big. So I'm going to want to use 5 times 1 equals 5. So I'm going to take this 1, and I'm going to put it on top of the 9. Now, I'm going to write the answer of 5 times 1 equals 5 down here, and now I'm going to subtract. So, 9 minus 5 equals 4, and although you may think you're done, you're not yet. Now you have to pull down the next digit. In this case, my next digit is a 6. Pull it down, put it next to the 4, and it's no longer a single little 4, now it's a 46. I need to find out now how many 5s fit inside 46. Now, I started making my little multiplication table over here, but I didn't get far enough, so let's finish it up and try to get really close to 46. So I know that 5 times 4 is 20, and 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 7 is 35. 5 times 8 is 40. 5 times 9 is 45. And 5 times 10 is 50. Now, 40 would have gotten me pretty close, but it's not close enough because I have 45. And that works really good for me right now. So now I want to put the 9 on top of the 6 that we just brought down. And underneath, I am going to write the answer to 9 times 5, which we know is 45. Put it right here. And now I'm going to subtract. So I know that 6 minus 5 equals 1. 4 minus 4 equals 0. I do not have any more numbers that I need to pull down. Not now. You'll probably have more numbers when you're older, but not right now. So, I have a remainder of 1, which I'm going to write up here with an R and a 1. On my line answer, I'm going to write that my answer is 9 with a remainder of 1. Now, I hope that this video was very useful for you and that you're able to keep practicing and learning. And if you have any questions, you know you can write to me and I'll meet you one-on-one. Okay? Bye, guys.